me. Now you now can't make this thing now to become everlasting enemy. Normally, place where you born put, you're not supposed to be war. You're not supposed to be battle. You know why? The children will still grow up and still go there. Who said it stop here? Now where boy you they make maths. Now that has one a rent there. You know go fit talk. Now they feel say Egbe not they exist. Tradition not they exist. To me, Egbe exists, tradition exists. You do. Now you where? Boy if family. Now they will tie your hand for back. All the women will marry for the family. They go flog you. Unless a family logger will be balian when we bali no clear. It's okay. No enters so. No enters. If anybody carry this video, they go they analyze. Me, I not girl. I don't care now. I'm not going to answer safe. If anybody insult me just as it happened before, I'm not going to answer. See you when me hold for grand now. When I hold now, I go hold you. We not the fear again. Make they come. We not the fear again. You and your husband
Go nowhere. She go nowhere.
You and your husband won't like you. Just as you honor for Facebook. Saga my papa. Imagine the man sit down with the saga children. The man join you. The saga your children. You tell me say that one a clear eye. So he can't love you, hate the children. Right? Now you know the lie say no.
I over sabi too much. Now they worry her jealousy. If they want to talk and you and an mate when you go they look you they get hypertension. So Red I don't know say they want do birthday. Since when you never talk about birthday, you not talk.
If they do competition with me.
When she come abroad, Pikin you come abroad. Ogbomave say, you don't know your left from your right. You don't know your left from your small Pikin won't belong. Go and build yourself. Brother, is that time where people they you get simply so it's small, more than 9 junior ones. You know they bring one come for abroad at least say, even though na school may come study.
They're joyous. Even though they
I
don't
don't understand.
What happened to mama? Mama, your mom Benedo. You know the
You know, Mama, this guy tell me say one bring him mama come here, make on the do a shower for your husband present. I open mat. He talk for their parlor for him man present. Say, now they look my husband. He say one bring your husband, him mama going go for you give him mama now.
My baby. My baby. Never vie when on me uye sagari ajuewa to the extent they will post your mama belly, post your mama leg, cost your mama. That day now, me by myself, I be one go cash your mama last 2 years. I can't discover as a day UBTH. Room nenemi, egbe maran. Egbe maran. Egbe maran. All because of a modern obie. Osaba gemer yo zangume. You don't do spiritual no work. Now you enter physical. What did they pursue you? They will not work now. They will not work on. Who they trouble you? Me trouble where? Yeah, when me like where we you. They don't know that over say okay I say. Everybody, this abroad what you work now your own. Now what I understand. What you they drag? Who they pursue you? Leave my husband alone. Leave my marriage alone. Leave my husband daughter alone. Oh, I didn't move you see them. I drop your weapon. I didn't move and see them moving safe. Which person is this?
Remove her. Maybe in Nigeria they don't even know saying they this thing. Not go better for road. If now you send a con, we be a girl, daughter of a single mother. Abomination picking where you born. You know everyone who be single mother better pass you. He say no go do topic. He go using the indirect at all. Mama, I say I tell you when I keep a quiet now this girl they get man. Even though na indirect, come out. If not direct, give her. It mean not self.
Now you they carry. Now you they tell me make I come out here joyous.
No, sure you they tell you. Not be me. My your platform and my platform with the talk where go they curse us again. Now me, who say now me they tell me you come and now me they there where you go they curse you. Now me tell her.
But waiting you go the judge. Now so waiting the judge. You know say go tell my uncle say me I pay una. When I come to the side, I can't go tell them for Nigeria.
What did she fair do when he video where they say you not do anything when the saga you will not get her.
I go dey work. He go call me. I not go pick. He go come send me voice notes. I'm not to say.
Now you collect person husband and you they
If I
call.
get am, he go call me 3
I
o'clock.
don't understand.
When I ask am wetin I
Good
do am,
evening, premise, my love. Oh,
wetin me do am. I owe you money, mama owe you money, my papa owe you money. I even know you for anywhere. If not be say this man carry you come, na the man carry you come. Even when they say even John Ashebi, you know John Ashebi, no me Teresa, ma come. Me ma come we. No concern you. Now you know where if now you know wetin you chop, we ask for your truth. We want gele wa ma be gene ya. We want gele wa dey class go onyi me bon. We want you get character, you get as you say you too good, you too wise. You for marry your personal own. If now you marry nania, another lele we drag now you go get power. You even collect as okay carry. We ya yon portion ya akpe o we. Me certain pe o ma ye be hon. Carry you know ye. Eat belleful you know ye. Who the follow? Good evening. Who dey talk? Good evening. You dey hear me? Good evening. I dey hear you.
As you just dey say this video sef e dey pay me because sometimes e get person wey be say you don pass for everything. You don this woman e wish to be like you. Forget saga.
Who can hold am may not be like me? Nobody hold am now. Why you won't be like me? No, be like any other person. It must be me.
which person they talk? You know they count for up. Where in name? You know they who they talk?
You dey up.
You know they were not saying. Who be the person?
Wife, old maybe not me, wa.
Now fure pretty and wafo na. Okay, na be wafo. Okay.
That maybe na network. Yeah?
You say wetin they talk the verse. Wetin you can talk for that one?
No, you say after the reply, they pay now. No, my sister, make I reply her now. She been at this time you want. You need my attention. I'm giving her my attention now. Because I don't really have baby in my hand. I did less busy now. I did less busy. She won't do party, won't do competition with me. Why should they do competition with me? It's me you the drag. If I check, I first you on this planet Earth. When I enter abroad, you still dey cannot pant for one side for your waist. A joke. I first you give birth. I senior you for that all those areas, all the areas. At the end of the day, now waiting me chop. Now you can later my plate wey me take chop. Where soup dey, now you dey lick. Small one wey remain, now you dey lick. Then why me? So all the whole life we don't work out for life. Now let me one I just be your problem. What of the one we follow you drag boyfriend for Uromi? What of the one we don't follow you drag boyfriend for Roma? What of the one follow you drag boyfriend for where they call her Udina or Udine? What of the one for Barry? Now let me all those things and now let me. What of the woman where you can't join your mama marry? Well, now can't get a bitch on papa. We your step brothers and step sisters. That's why if you talk and see your mother depressed, say fatness, they make your mother. You said depression, they make your mother come fat. You want start this video that year. If you talk my you go talk your mama. That year for Facebook. Now me and your mama and one of your cousin. That it is start. I call if you say like play, you rest. Oh yeah, say Josh name you know. This junction of psychiatric. Oh yeah, so na. Or for ban. Oh yeah, so na. So my people, I won't drop the live video because I get prayer at 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock already. As she go to consult with it, she consult. If I true with her, I still go do my prayer. I not go pray. A way, not be nice, strong for prayer pass. I dey pray 2-4. You fight my children birthright, you will pay with everything you have. You drag them, you drag their name, you put stain for their name, you will live to regret it. You in any way raise war or standard or evil against them. It is go as you raise it, one or two, 3, 4, 5, it dey go back to your own as long as you have your own children. As you take their name to native doctor, you summon their picture. You will regret the day when you do that thing. You will regret it. The day when you do that thing, you can't carry my children picture. You just say you wise. You just say, what you want on baby photo. Yeah, really. As long as you get the number of children that I have, whatever you do to my 5 kids, you have 5 is going back to your own, one after the other. No one go remain. They don't say, you do 5 and 4 children you get. No, not say I got to punish you. You do any one what you do. If you do to my twins, you get twins. It's going back to them. I don't care the small. You do to my daughter, the last daughter, it's going back to that your daughter. That's in your one. You do to my son, it's going back to your son. You do to my last born, it's going back to the one that's in your twins. You see, whatever you planted, whatever you sow, whatever evil you do, whatever you did, whatever you bury, whatever you burn, is rolling back to your home. It will become a quenchable fire on top of your head and everything that you have. That day you curse your own children, not be my own. Imagine see how wicked you are. How wicked you are. You dey abroad, you dey fight your stepchildren like this, your stepdaughters, your your husband children. Children who you suppose not to fight, you are fighting them for no reason. To see how devilish and wicked you are. You dey fight children who never come knock for their papa house one day. You don't even use good mind say, no. Allow them. May I go see them? Go see them. I don't want to go see them. I wish you can, if you be like me. I tell you, Daddy, my husband go Italy. You go Italy, stay 1 week. You go. If you want to go now, it's free. I talk for live video. Why I won't hold on? Why I won't cage on? Why? Why I go do one now? Why? You know fair born before I know her. He get one daughter. He tell me say he gets. He tell me, show me the picture. Before that man talk, he picking picture and he dey front of his screen. I ask some question. And I friend that tell I no hide down. Should be case if he can't lie to me because he say I fine. Or he say, this woman is okay. Whether he can't lie to me, I don't know. Let make me not quit born for her. Even if he even come today, say, hey, I go kneel down beg her. You know why I go beg her? I go beg her because maybe every time I say, he not tell me truth. If it happen, I go beg her. Cause he was here. Your careva. He made them out and not be at water. I don't know. To get what they want. They can lie. They can lie. Especially a Gemini Wajena. He been revona. Yang yavo. Any yang now way to survive. Some of them. Not be all. Now way to survive, not be their fault. You think I be like you? Me, I be like you? To never be well with you. If you come out, I go come out. No, if you want to do saga, no, I don't want me to analyze your replacement. Or remudo. I don't want me to analyze my video. I want me to use what you know about me. Not that way you use it direct. Yeah. The way don't bump before suffering and smiling. Me suffering and smiling me real 5 bedroom. 5 bedroom, parlor and the first sleeping room. 124 quadrometer .95. Hey, Gemana. Hey, consume Gemana. Hey, Majema. Yeah, I'm a room here. And I'm suffering. He read Gemini. A Gemini no malabmo. A Gemini a talk by. He ever done me why. A bear will just tell you winner. It like winner. Or work here, me. I don't like 4 hours job. I don't like 6 hours job. I deal with 8 hours to 10 hours. Hey, now. Just now I'm going to school. Yes, because I am already due for passport. A journey, only work cannot give you passport. Only school cannot give you passport. You must be by there. If now only that one, I get loaner oppression. Why don't they work? Why fit I apply? I get. It is me. I not wait. Me, my husband build paper for me. Say I can't build them because I married you. I build things myself. I have to stand because any time can be 6 o'clock. If it happened before, so your husband already put fear for my mind. He put fear for me to stand where. He put fear for me to know say don't make mistake again. He warned. I don't want to stress myself too much again over your matter. But anytime you come out, I come out for you. A matter now, I get bloggers. This is no longer bloggers. On I get matter bloggers. On I get matter na my friend. No, let bloggers remove themselves. On I get matter I too classic. I'm a prayerful woman. If you want me to pray with you, if you believe that it will work for you, it will work. As long as I am here, I am not here for everybody. I am here for one particular person. Lare, a masquerade in a row only. Lare no dog bebe kenije. Come. Not enter house. So if you enter house, not tell me say you now you have job. You are not working. The last time I checked, you are jobless. You have no job. You know they work. You have time. Not use government. You want to use government? I tell you before, I'll go and bring my insurance for you. I have insurance lawyer. I have it 3 years or 4 years now. You use a government lawyer. You use a just setter lawyer. You deal with you. Where? You marry again now where may you get we may you fly. You say you too know. Your friend come they use a wogogoro, they talk to me. Give me what me wanyo. I know they drink, I know they smoke. I know they against anybody where they take her. See the way I address people. But if I see that it's excess, I will tell you it's too much. No. Ogbomawa is not the right thing. A depression or maybe a refio. Ikbiasie. What we not sunu? What we real boka gbame? He ite do avie via ya kokemo via keswe saloboa. How did I get here? No. Your saga make me strong. Your saga make me to say you will not fail. Your saga. Immediately you dey talk. I dey tell God, anything where you dey talk, I dey present them for my prayer. Say, God, look at the words of men. Let only your word stand. Let only your word. Oh, they may no man the dark women nowhere. In where matter. The Bible said, who see 18, and it cometh to pass when the Lord commanded it not. Who see 18? Did my destiny lies in your hand? A placenta na ya bime. Did they give me the placenta that my mother used to deliver me? Are you the one that caught the placenta and hold it? Why you don't want me to have peace in my life? Did I borrow you money to make my journey? Did I come to your family for them to use their house to sign for me to make this journey? The last time I checked, nobody signed for me. I by myself, carry myself, enter route. I want to make a better name. And they bring you as what? To come and be tormenting me. You will stop it now. You will stop it now. This is not time of yourself. Say since how many years? Omanado bo wagbe omo. Omanado bo wagbe omo. Awe okona gbe omo. Omekeno who say awe ewe. Imagbu omo. Imarawe. I didn't steal from you. I didn't do anything to you. I need platform my mumelele. Una mumegino unu gbegbe no Canada. Now you want to come and talk like that one. Over what? Anytime when I take bully me, I go call and say, why doing this to me? Why? I become you people akachi that you people used to clean hand after eating. I'm human being who run also with blood and vein, who run water and vein too, who run water and blood in a vein. I'm Melissa Gaweri Megbe. Oye do me hi, e do le no ko, la dian ni mado honko, e social media no. La dian. Me, you will get mama. Are you supposed to hide your mother? Me, I not get mama, I not get papa. Error. But now me, they hide myself. Now you supposed to hide your mama over your rubbish. Anything where you see I talk, I don't mention your name, no indirect talk to you, not you must talk to me. Not tell me say you busy now. If I not hear from you tomorrow, I go ask Alpha. I must hear from you. This time, if not soon, no soon. I know say I get events for grant. I beg my people, my followers. I use go beg una. Let me say I did saga. Well, all of you already know my story. You are close eh? What thing I go do again where I never do? What thing I go do again where I never do? You don't lie. The lie self me, but sometimes I can't even imagine. If none of them not know. Maybe I walk back if none of them you are the next on the list. Oh, most also know. It might not know to me, but if you know how many people will draw red line, they wait for you. You for don't stop your nonsense. Una a ma o diake we be corner. Na expire they give you so one heme. Una a man o diake we be corner. Now even people where you never even use my touch. Now they plan with you. Not be the one where you don't touch you. The one where you never touch will just the verse for you on their own. Nya ki anjera ya planki we. Nya liye ki planki we. Now then they even wait for you. Before the one where you break their home. Before me by myself. The Odogu, the leader of them, will come out. I go hear your wonu. Tile. Ya kama we when I'm been a yoto. Even na ya gbena ma when I viokoa. Opa na nwa. Opa igo meria. Cannot tune other from when I'm a family asi. E belo asi. Okmo wawani gaji. Iye belo eme. Imaimu tion da fun la dia o. Ya avait violadia et souvent il y avait mon c'est ouais il souvent il y avait mais il y avait ya et boy kan y avait moya la dia ya avait you na especially a family gebo il y a gi wazo wase no ma titi egbe il call me il do have even ma like yo me o no say na blocking ya na me block them not be them block me na me block them. Don't be them block me. No one block me among them. Now me block them by myself. Because he am a set it you. Although you time where the man is not man enough. Already recording. Maybe if you don't long, we'll call the player. You will not get anything about me. Can me hear me share one of information eh? Hear me share. Information cause this thing go rob you Ina care who no wene nyena. Me na wenye you go wa me na we offend you worry. When I do wenye la mowa. When the government move you living as re yana muari camp. Yana when you are bound to no me different names, different passport. Unwe traffic ni amu no we wodo akamero dive no mami. Thank God. Maybe tomorrow we'll talk that one. Mind the kind of friends you have. Don't tell your friend any secret of you. If you want to tell them, they tell them the opposite side. They made the meeting. Don't tell them. I didn't say you should not make friend. You can make friend. Because of one woman me. But if you know say this thing are white, and you know say you get jealous friend, tell us say na black. No tell us the meeting no. If you know say this phone now, you just buy am. Or your husband buy you this phone. No tell us say na your husband buy this phone for you. Tell us say na you buy am by yourself. If you want your relationship or your home, your life to be safe, if I ever know say this woman go do this kind of thing, or your marry if I ever know, I did greet her. If I ever know, AI party, you got a reke na live here, or way or can carry look money. My daughter won't give her cloth. You don't know say the iPad there on top. You can't draw the cloth. Whether not true, I don't know. Now so this woman take break the iPad. But you say that my daughter break her. Ask her the way that I fight her. Yeah, or go more. You know, I not talk because I know what she did go through at that time. Who know? Who even say she go do this kind of thing? I don't do anything. God in heaven bear me witness. I have never tell one they say, sister, why you do this kind of thing? Now me and her gotta go Munich, go restaurant, go celebrate my last daughter 1 year birthday. na me buy food for her any ore kifagati manave yengbe na kifagati we for no. She come in the morning, me come in the afternoon. This woman so. You don't know me and the man for anywhere. Me and my papa twins. You don't know us. If you see video where she do for TikTok, that I never come TikTok. You not here, you know where? Oseme, why doing this to me? I don't ever offend you. You say she not do anything, no. Now send the video to her. Be we or bad friends, so if they tell me now, say this woman for no reason, nothing, just because I call and say I won't marry. I can't even they tell her the marriage plan. Even that time say the marriage na corona time. During corona, now they do. I can't even they tell her. The next thing he ask me, so your husband won't marry you. My mother say Kadadi. He say, which kind of question that? Say, oh, true. Your husband won't marry you. Now say, I not reach way that they marry. Now so I come bad way I not feel marry. Or why yao? When you want marry we, he may get bofo. I don't know, say na jealousy they make her tell that thing. I don't know. And the foolish, my enemy. I won't go cook for person for Ingolstadt. That night, I got say my husband day house with the kids, with her. Say me they go cook for person because normally I dey cook for people. I dey cook. As God they bless me. My neighbor can't call me. He says, sister, Larry. That neighbor so she know her. Sister Larry. I don't understand how they do relationship for abroad. I never do. A marriage, na marriage I take on. Now I day, now I take born twins, now I take day. So now the girl can call me, go whole apartment, say, you won't leave your guy for this woman. Sister, I use God beg you, carry her. He say, if this woman not spoil your head for this man before you come back, you go seduce her. I don't tell you. I can't say, no, my friend of you do that kind of thing. Why not the spoil person name? He says, sister, you man understand that way, but you don't understand abroad. My people, I don't understand abroad though. When it comes to French relationship, I don't understand that. I don't get idea. Now the girl tell me, sister, don't try ya. I said you don't need this, my girl. If you don't need that, girl, you want no mumu. You know, we shall have a rule where I are. I don't know, say truth. This thing I not tell her because why? I did look at my elderly sister. The way we take day. If she dey carry her daughter, they come my place. I tell her, say not bring clothes. Even though the small girl big, you can't dey wear the twins cloth. Now small girl that time, but you just get big body like your mama. Now I can't recollect that age where mama saying they never reach. As that pikin take big now, now you tell no say mama you just big for nothing. This is the way you do. You see how you useless yourself all because of Rhoda. You see how your respect. Now you see how as I come to take the talk to you. You wear the respect. You wear me the respect. No time when you will call me where I know greet you traditional greeting. That greeting I must greet you. I don't know you. Now can't for no. I must give you that respect. See how you just let yourself here, Michelle. You see your life. I even call you private. Very see in Canada where why doing this to me? What did I do now? You can't deny, so you not talk. Bad friend. I don't know say that because of marry where I marry, now it can't be your heaviness. Since where I marry, mother give me peace. Una mia many vana. I put you in my house when government was after you. Government ya gwalo when ya mu where you wa. Ina mu where you when I live anyway. You're useless. What you they say you carry there, no fit feed you. No fit feed you and your daughter. No fit bow away. No fit his sisters they don't fit help you. They fit help you. They fit pay your bride price now. Because of say your mama na me. You use your hands spoil relationship. If I buy thing, I go buy for you. You eat finish, you tell your boyfriend say you never eat since. You they come, you do shopping come. As I even carry you go supermarket, you do shopping. You see money that they pay you. Because it's still Rhoda for social. What did Rhoda give you now? All the respect we me don't give you. Rhoda give you. When I do twins, 7 years, when I do dedication, with baptizing, I think with dedication, because hearing here with dedication, God come help me, I can't do dedication for Ingolstadt. You know, 3 days before dedication, you never come. You never come. The house, all of us, they happy. It might get how we big. It might get how done. You know, introduce you with my pastor, introduce you with my, I was saying, man. It might go, you will have, thank God, mommy cannot points in it, man. Yeah, Michelle. If you were having an opportunity, you would have done that. See how wicked you are. If you were having an opportunity, you would have done that. You see you, this life not balance, oh. This life not balance. Not be all friends will follow you laugh. Not be true, they wish you well. Wicked people. Oh, you don't believe, oh, you say Martin is not Saga Queen. I don't believe my eyes. Okay, you don't believe your eyes. No, not be Saga Queen. You know, say, if you throw away something, you don't want to do it again. Like you just turn your back, I don't want to do it. But when people want to tell you that you are foolish, give them some. Maybe this sweet. Is that my friend? So, that my friend. So, even if I forgive Rhoda, I know will forgive that my friend. You see, I see they call her my friend. If for instance, I forgive Rhoda, see that my friend, so I know forgive her, and I can never wake up in the morning and pray a good prayer for her. I will tell God, whatever she do to me, let her get it times 10. The way the Bible talk, you say, bear ye one another's body. If your sister dey in distress, he say, rescue her. That's what I do to her. Look at how she turn around just because of friendship. What the road that get we won't give you compared to the one we may not do for you. You won't tell me say na Aduro has so. Aduro has easy. Why you not get your? Okay, say Aduro has more money where they give me until they feed you and your picky. They feed my own. I don't try. You do one for me. The next thing is to turn against me. I did tell you call me say you want to give a number. They ask of your number. What did I tell you? How you want to be two people friend? People will know they play. With me and the other friend will put you for line. They ask you this question. Say why you go to tell that the little thing we know about this woman, even some of them not be true. You deny your life. You say you not do one. I dey talk to you for full. You carry person join me for full. You dey defend yourself, and I get the video. If you ever tell wa ma, imame ko na ta itema, imamio, e ko na wata wa mandanki, eimie, je Michelle, e ko dan, e ko we gbegbe. I go, if you know say me get your picture. Me, if you do any, I go match your picture. Because now you cause my rain, now you cause this problem. We no gonna tell where you tell me say you won't use soldier, take go beat Rhoda mama. You not tell me. Rhoda now will come be your friend. Say you won't use soldier. Say your small sister and soldier. Where anytime you Rhoda in Nigeria, where is a soldier you be having share? Say if he cost me again, so you go use soldier take beat mama. You not tell me. Now you not gonna use your body the pack insult here, Michelle. Fuen when. You see your life? When Aria Baga Agua law, you not declare where I won't get live now. I banned you where now. A fake passport, a fake name, a Genoya from hospital, you want to pay ya. Okay, since your mama don't want to move on, may your mama go comment section. You are blocked. Let me show you when no wezu a we mo do, maybe maso we. Mama no go you wo hu ne ya. Ye me say if na you, maybe maso we. Mama no go you wo hu ne ya. Na ka mo yo wo hu return e. Na bi ha obi na. Piri ne. We na are kena na atie boni me. Una onwa. No, it no go better for her. For the good way me do for her, she can't go general that can't cost me for TikTok. Yo, ye me say no go better for you. Elisa, na Lisa biane, oye san o wijin oro me okere. You know better for you. What do you do me? See, you see everybody they talk this matter. You know they too pay me down. You way me open door for. You way me put for house. I don't even offend you. If I even wrong you now, it's okay. Maybe not that thing will happen. I even choose you over. I even choose you. You Michelle can rema or you zoo or go not go no anyo. I even choose you over mama success. You kuna veya biele lomo. You don't enter monopause. Ina me do huni. Ina viono no riok boke ye Michelle. Ina vio hunu le monopause ina we de dan. Ina vio hunu no na do ya bie no make na ya miebe. We give me a bie no na ya pon mi jou no abadan ni we no ma mo call we. God, you say God take on deal with you now. So about deal with me now we are good, we're going to call. Yo, you may have a dunking. You let you see chance you are the poison or rien. But man, when I beware of bad friends, especially the one who will just tell you saying to love you, you will just they laugh. If you see the way this man, they go laugh all his teeth finish. He go laugh reach here. He might get a devil, no. I don't know. Just a twinkle of eyes, just in a seconds. Oh man, I don't offend you. See what you can collect now. You go use different accounts. They come, I go block you. My baby now, where I do a course and I do a fake account of Gori Boom. When he has Zan Lele Yane. Now so much here about don't pick for her. The man will bon second pick for the UK. Or bien in the UK. You know, wow now, you know, you beshele. You see your life because of what that you go collect for my hand. You got your panero that you have your pano. If you turn your eye matter no. Now that one be my own. If not true, most things will tell you that I lie, I not tell you the truth. Because as long as I don't understand you, I can't so frequently stay away from you. You see, I'm not going to tell you. He said, "Na pastor do this one. Na pastor, you and road that go bring the pastor. In here where the bring the name, bring the picture, bring the conversation, bring the WhatsApp this thing, bring proof. And all where me am a theory. A WhatsApp away or go me. See your life. See your life for judgment. Nonsense. Okay, my amazing people walking weird boge. Roda me I know you say you enter house. So don't enter house. The time we want to enter house now, that time my energy take on. Tomorrow I go buy energy drink. On Friday I go get your time. Shebi now you get my time since then. Me anybody not talk say this woman. This woman. No, una know how she take do me. She do. I'll say I call everybody, may they advise you. I don't like this way you do, you know, here. Now me don't come with my real account. I don't get fake account. You don't judge me, say, I use fake account, they wash you. I don't get. I don't be fake human being like you and Mama Michelle. Fake friend.